Hello. What have you been up to? Today, we are going to confer about an introduction of Internet of Things. What is an IoT? An IoT stands for Internet of Things. It can be also shortly done as the things which are connected to the Internet are simply said to be as an IoT. We can create different types of things by using IoT. For example, switching on the fan, changing air conditioner temperature using smartphones. Previously, to store any kind of things, it was necessary to have large devices. But now it has become simple because of an IoT. Large devices such as jet engines are also a collection of some IoT devices. IoT helps to receive the data and also to transmit the data very efficiently. Next is the ecosystem of an IoT. In the ecosystem of an IoT, some of them are to be considered. Those are TV antenna, bulb, mobile, office, home. As such, everything is connected with the Internet. Next, coming to the uses of an IoT. In general, why do we need an IoT? To answer this, let us discuss with an example of communication in our daily life. Let's see how it actually works. In our day-to-day life, communication plays a major role here. It is encouraging to consider two machines. That is, machine A and machine B. If machine A interacts with machine B, then immediately machine B will receive the data from machine A. As such, both machines are interacting. This is an example of an IoT, how it actually gets used in day-to-day life. Next subtopic is automation and control. It is nothing but any two devices are digital and wireless infrastructurally connected. By this, large amount of automation and control will happen without human interaction. The devices are connected and communicate with each other. Information. Information helps in making better decisions. Making personally and also professionally. In IoT, monitoring is the best option, as we discussed earlier. IoT helps to remote the air conditioner from mobile applications. Such a way it helps in monitoring by reducing human efforts. Till now we have discussed all about monitor information as much. As such, all those are under the control of time. Time is a very precious thing in our day-to-day life. By using these IoT devices, we can save our time mostly. In modern life, people nowadays have a lot of work to do. So, only because of an IoT much time is saving. Not only it saves the time, it also saves the money as well. It also helps in providing the better quality of life, comfort and convenience. These are some of the companies which are using IoT technologies: Rolls-Royce, Cisco, Google Nest. Also, the percentage that industries uses this IoT is 40.2% in business and manufacturing, 30.3% in medical equipment, 8.3% in retail applications, and more. Well, that's the end of today's topic. Along with the video explanations, we offer notes, mind maps, infographics and more to all the subjects from your syllabus, and also career guidance programs from current working IT professionals, and many more to our supporters. To join our supporters community, use the subscription link given below. For more topics from your syllabus, please visit our website given in the description. If you like the explanation, press the like button and rate us from 1 to 5 in the comments section below. For getting updates on any video we posted, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We will be back with another concept soon.